As an entrepreneur, have you gone through stages where you've got absolute self-doubt? Whatever you're trying to make choices or decisions, you just cannot find that certainty and that answer, and you end up just procrastinating and not getting things done. How you can actually tap into your intuition as an entrepreneur to be more intuitive in following the path, your life purpose of what it is you should be doing, turn it into an absolute success, and to share your gifts, your talents, your services, your products with the world. You need to decide to trust yourself. Self-doubt definitely starts that you believe that your decisions aren't wholesome enough or good enough, that you always need to ask someone else or everyone else around you. There's nothing wrong with asking for their advice and their opinions, but just remember that you know deep down what it is that you should be doing. Maybe not quite how to go about it, but you know what feels right for you. You just got to learn to tap into listening to your emotions, your feelings when you make a decision. Because when someone else gives you an answer, or they've got different skill sets or different experience, you know what's best for yourself. When I started my entrepreneurial journey at the age of 19, back then there wasn't Google and YouTube that I could just sort of tap into and get information and guidance to help me grow my business. I had to make those decisions on my own. There was, of course, many trial and errors. There were some total fuck-ups, and there were some amazing successes along the way. But from very, very young, I have been very intuitive, psychic, I suppose, yes, but I have tapped into that, and I've grown and I've developed it more. So I will ask myself, what is the worst case scenario about this decision and choice I need to make? How bad can it really be? Look at it and ask yourself that outcome. Is it that bad? Could you fix it? Could you resolve it? Maybe even benefit you? Or what is the best case scenario out of these two decisions and choices that you need to make? What would be the best outcome? Is it exactly what you want? If it is, you already know that you're going into the right direction, but listen to your intuition. How do I feel? Immediately I either go, oh, I'm actually feeling a little overwhelmed and kind of tense and almost like anxious inside of me. Or I kind of feel, it's time to make this decision. To have more clarity on that decision that you've made or want to make, to try and quiet the mind, to let the intuition flow through meditation. Now, meditation is something that you need to do every single day until you can get used to doing at least 20 minutes every day. First thing in the morning would be fantastic. Part of your whole ritual, your routine in the morning, so that you are developing some quiet time to focus, to think, to switch off, and let the answers come through you to help you to become more successful as an entrepreneur in your business. My name is Tania Sutherland. I've been a fashion entrepreneur for over 36 years and been an entrepreneur coach, sharing the holistic ways of how you can turn your business into success. If you like this kind of content, then how about giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to please press the subscribe button and leave any comments down below that I can come back to you to help you grow yourself as well as to grow your business. Besides just tapping into your intuition and meditating on these decisions that you need to make and listening to that feeling, that how you are feeling about these decisions and choices that you make, you can even use a pendulum. Write out 1 or 2 or 3 decisions that you'd like to make. Take your pendulum and first find out what the yes and the no is by asking it, what is your name? Right, so I'm going to check for the yes. I'm going to use something quite simple which you can use as well. Just use your name. So I'm using a piece of paper so that you can see. So my name is Tania Sutherland. Let's see which direction is my yes. As you can see, I'm holding the ball, the end of the pendulum, very firmly. I'm not touching the chain. It is moving by itself. So now I can see clockwise is my yes. I'm just going to stop it. Let's ask something to see for a no. My name is Minnie Mouse. So you can actually use this by writing out some questions that you want to ask, get answers to see a yes or a no. There are many modalities that you can do out there. Have fun, step into them, and believe in yourself. You can have a numerology chart done to check your numbers, to see where you are going. Are you on the right path for the type of career, the choices that you're making for your business? Because we're self-doubting ourselves, it's because we don't have enough faith in ourselves to believe that we can make the right decisions for ourselves and our future. Or Is it because you do not have faith and enough belief in the universe, the divine, or God? Your divine has your back. It is guiding you all the time. Surrender and say to yourself that I trust the universe. Guide me, and listen to your intuition. Listen to what your guides are telling you. It will take you on the right path. You know when you are stepping out of line, when things don't feel intuitively right for you, or your intuition is telling you out of integrity. Listen to what your gut is telling you. And before you know it, you'll even pick up on people that you meet, that you feel there's something about them that you can't trust. There's something about what they said doesn't feel right. Someone wants to offer you a business opportunity or collaboration, and something just doesn't feel right. Listen to your intuition. It is your higher self. It's your divine connection speaking to you. So as an entrepreneur, I have tapped into many ways of asking questions, of helping me make decisions for my business. And whenever I've listened to my gut feeling, it has turned out to be a success. The times that I didn't listen, it turned out to be a huge shitstorm where it cost me in so many different ways. So think back when you listened to your intuition and when you didn't, and what kind of results did you get? To tap into your divineness and to tap into all the abundance that is around you. It's about stepping out of being a victim, having that victim mode in your mind, and stepping into self-awareness, self-consciousness, and then to become enlightened. It's about that awakening of that we are so much more. Use your energies, use your vibrations, open up those chakras, and step into your own self to make those decisions to help you to become more successful. I'll leave the link down below of the outfit that I have on right now. It is one of my patterns from my collections that you can either make it up yourself or have someone make it for you. Because don't forget, if you are your brand ambassador for your business, always make sure that you are well groomed, well put together, and rock up being absolute confident, because you are presenting your business. You are your business.